All right, guys, so quick unboxing today. Had a package show up in the mail this morning, and this is one of the newest releases from GShock. In a lot of ways, this could be one of their cooler releases of 2020. Haven't seen it in the flesh yet, but we will see here shortly. Also, after the unboxing, stick around. I want to talk about something that's coming up on the channel I think a lot of you guys will be interested in. So we'll get to that, but first let's take a look at the watch. All right, so let me rephrase that. We're going to be taking a look at watches, the plural. I just had a second watch show up in the mail, and I thought we might as well do an unboxing of this one too. This one's actually been stuck at the border for a few days, and I was getting a little bit worried about it. This is the latest release from Swiss watch company, SWC. So this one's kind of a cool one. I've seen one video so far by Aaron Dunlap, and it looks like a really nice watch. So we've got a envelope within the envelope. Using the Victorinox today. Ooh. As soon as I open that envelope, even before opening the bag, I can smell leather. This is new from Swiss Watch Company. I've never seen their packaging quite like that. Very nice. Oh, it smells so good here right now. So we've got some straps. These are pretty cool straps. These are elastic straps with Velcro. Very comfortable. And inside here, ooh, it's a little tight. We have the bunker. So this is let's get in a little closer, titanium field watch. Very lightweight. This is a spec monster. This has got it going on. It's got the Salida movement. Again, the titanium case, sapphire. I see drilled lugs there. Pretty nice looking watch. Cool, and there's quite a few different colorways. So we'll take a look at this here in the next few days, but I'm going to put that off to the side. And actually, let me give you guys a quick wrist check. Almost always forget to do the wrist check in these unboxing videos, but man, this thing is comfy. Strap needs a little bit of breaking in, but after a few days, I think this is going to wear awesome. Cool, cool watch. So let's get to the GShock. All right, so let's get into this guy. All right, a little more cutting to do. Trying to be careful because the packaging on this one is kind of part of the experience. And there it is. Awesome. GShock Carbon Core Guard. We've got the circuit board pattern. Reference number DWE 5600cc-3ER. Zoom back out. Oh, cool. The inner package has that metallic finish, the gold metallic finish. The outer just matte. Awesome. I'll just show you down inside here. We have some paperwork, it looks like, some instructions. If it's anything important, I will get to that. Actually, I think there is one thing important in here I will get to. I was going to say I'd get to that in the full video, but yeah, there is one thing I'll show you. I'll show you that here in just a second. So inside we have the watch. The square carbon core. A lot of you guys watching this will be aware, but this new variant of the square, move this stuff out. Comes with interchangeable straps, an interchangeable bezel. Loving that pattern. I think my camera settings are a little dark. Let me just tweak that for a second here and come right back. There we go. That's a little bit better. Very cool. This is going to be a lot of fun to play with. So, I'm not sure how these are connected. I will not get into this right now. I think I'm going to wait and do this in the full video. But we've got this, I think this is a nylon strap. It's hard to tell through the packaging. Yeah, I believe it is a nylon strap. This is actually a loomed strap, so that'll be kind of fun to play around with. Then we have the black bezel, black resin strap. Pretty cool little package. And then in the other side of the box I pulled out a second ago, there's a little tool here to swap out the bezel. I think the bezel is connected by some sort of a hook. I think there's 4 hooks as opposed to the screws that we usually have on GShock squares. Pretty cool case back there too. This looks absolutely awesome. Feels very lightweight. I'm not sure if it's a whole lot lighter than my square. I just have a 5610. This is the one thing with this watch. This has the module 3229, I believe it is, and so no solar, no multi-band 6, and for the price of these, that is a common complaint. I think a lot of people were looking for those features. So at this price, I'm not sure yet if the extras, the bezel and straps, make it worthwhile or not, but it is still a very cool watch, and really excited to get some time on wrist with it. So let's get a look on wrist, and then I want to talk about the upcoming video. An upcoming video I think you guys are going to want to watch. So there it is. One thing I didn't notice at first, but we've got some gold hardware on this strap. The other straps have stainless steel hardware, so this kind of matches up the gold highlights on the strap and bezel. Really liking the look. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about this circuit board pattern on the watch, but it looks cool. It almost has a bit of a camo look to it. So keep an eye out for the full follow-up video of this watch here very soon, here in the next week or two. The other thing I wanted to talk about is a giveaway that I'm going to be doing, and that'll be coming in the next couple of videos where I announce officially the giveaway where you can enter. But I'm going to be giving away a 3-piece collection. We've got the Duro, we've got a Timex Expedition, and the Casio. They're going to be coming out in this Mirage Luxury Travel watch roll. This is a really good watch roll. Not only that, I am going to be including some straps from Straps Co. So this is going to be a fun one, and I think somebody's going to really enjoy having a sort of a starter collection with these 3 pieces. These are some of the best. When it comes to affordable watches, this is probably about as good as it gets for a diver, field watch, and digital piece. So excited to do this one, so that's another thing to look out for. So really appreciate you guys taking the time to stop by today. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.